Hello everyone, I'm Oath, Thai in the United States. I just came back from Wawa buying packs of ice to put in the foam box and cooler. We don't have refrigerator almost a month now. The weather is very hot, so I would like to take a rest eating this ice cream. Let's see what I do at this time. We moved the boxes and cooler in the kitchen because in the garage is too hot. And that is what I do. Since our refrigerator didn't work, it's almost a month. We got the first refrigerator from Lowe on Friday 10th, and one day it didn't work very well. The freezer doesn't froze any food at all. My ice cream all melted. The meat not ready freeze. Then on Saturday we went to Lowe and make appointment for them to take the return, and they send the guys on Sunday. My husband order new one from Home Depot. It's supposed to delivery yesterday, Thursday, but it was heavy rain. I think they could not deliver it, and I thought they may come today. I got a call from them that they reschedule to delivery next Thursday. That is the reason I need to go out and get more ice. And we don't have refrigerator about 1 more week. So it is not good, the life without refrigerator. My vegetable are bad, and I don't want to buy them because I don't have any places to store the ice in the box. Doesn't keep food same as refrigerator, and also in the heat like now, and also the meat are getting bad, sting and taste not good. I will keep cooking just what we have at the moment, but if next week they are bad, I gonna dump all in the trash and get new one, or everything rotten. Oh, by the way, I correct the timing. I recording the timing since the refrigerator broken until we get the new refrigerator. 2 of them. Come back and see that video later, okay? Thank you for watching. Have a good one, guys. Have a good time. Bye.